Good morning, it's Rob Colley with eXp Realty, and we are in Fairhope today showing property. We got a few to look at, and I got our little helper with us today, and I just want to show everybody. This is Beckham's first trip working with real estate with Pop and Mimi. We're going to be looking at this house as soon as our clients come in. I'll keep you updated. There he is. We're at house number 2 for today. Kelly and Beckham's already on the inside. This one sits on a little over 3 acres. It's in Loxley. I'll get you a few pictures on the inside here in just a second. Alright, we are at home number 3. We're back in Fairhope. It wasn't too far from the other property. This one kind of loaded up in there. And it's a great home. I'll send you a few pictures of the inside. Our real estate helper has tapped out today, and we still have one more property to show. All right, we are at our final stop today in Gulf Shores. Let me spin around and show you what we got here. This one has 3 acres with a pond in the back. It is 2 minutes to Orange Beach, 5 minutes to Gulf Shores, 10 minutes top to the beaches. Let's check out the inside.